Welcome to another Therapy Thursday. This week we are covering the coffee enema. There are different methods for brewing enema coffee, but our favorite is using the Moka Pot because it is faster and produces a concentrate that is far stronger than other brewing methods. Most options require that you make the coffee and then wait for the grounds to settle and for it to cool down to body temperature. The Moka Pot, however, makes brewing much less of an ordeal because once you have your freshly brewed concentrate, you simply fill up the remainder of the required 32 ounces with distilled water, and voila, you have body temperature water. Next, set up your bathroom to make the therapy process as comfortable as possible. You'll want to put a towel down for cushion and to catch any leakage. We also recommend folding up a towel for a makeshift pillow that is easily washed afterwards. A lot of enema buckets have these sliding stopcocks, but they tend to be really difficult to work with. Skip the stress and get an enema bucket that has a squeeze clamp. The hose can be awkward to keep out of the way and off of contaminated surfaces, so if you have a drawer you can close it in to hold it, that works great. Making sure the stopcock is completely closed, you are now ready to add your coffee. Next, fill the remainder of the required 32 ounces with your distilled water. The temperature should be perfect by the time you get everything else prepared. You always want to lubricate the end of the enema hose so as to protect the delicate rectal tissues. And there are several options out there, but a really great one that most people have in their kitchens already is organic coconut oil. It's not only viscous enough to be useful, but it will also nourish the skin that it comes in contact with. Don't forget to grab something to entertain yourself and help keep your mind off the time. Move the enema bucket to where it will be above your body, but no more than 2 feet above your body. The best level is approximately 6 inches above the intestines. You're ready to get started, so wash your hands really well and check that the enema coffee is at body temperature. We recommend using one of the many great resources out there that provide much more detailed instructions on this part. But one hack to keep in mind is that you can always use your hands to have quick control over the flow of the liquid. Remember to relax your whole body and take deep breaths throughout the process. The tenser you are, the harder it will be for your intestines to accept the liquid. If you feel your body trying to release you before the time is up, remember that panicked thoughts are only going to make it worse. It might sound silly, but take advantage of that mind-gut connection and rally the troops with thoughts like, "Come on, body, you can do this. You totally got this." Do your best not to tense your stomach muscles. If it's still more than your body is ready to handle, no worries. There are several reasons this could be happening, but ultimately, be patient with yourself and the process. It's no big deal to try again tomorrow. We are so delighted that you joined us for Therapy Thursday today. We hope this helped make healing at home a little easier and simpler for you. See you next week.